Hey guys, it's Jaden Lee, and in today's video I'm going to be making an entire dress out of just trash bags. I originally got this idea from Scholl. She just released this video on Sunday, and as soon as I watched it I was like, holy shit, I need to do this. In Amber's video she actually used a corset and a skirt as the foundation for her dress, but I decided to challenge myself and only use trash bags and just duct tape to construct it and help it hold together. So if you want to see how that turned out, stay tuned. So guys, the first thing that I did was just split open the garbage bag, and next I am going to just cut it straight down the middle so that I can get two equal pieces. Now that I have the two separate pieces, I just layered them on top of each other. The garbage bags seem to have their own type of seams in them, so I just followed that line directly in the middle, as you can see, and that's how I layered them on top of each other. This side is going to be used as the inside, so when I start to tape it, it will not be seen on the outside. Just so you guys can see a bit more clearly, I started taping across to, connect the two strips together, and I'm just going to continue all the way across and then continue to do that for the layers going down. I finished taping all of my layers together. This is the front side, so obviously you cannot see any of the tape. Now that I'm finished, I can see that it looks super flat, and then when I tried it on, it also looked really flat too, so I think that I'm just going to be adding some extra garbage bags to give it a little bit more texture. I flapped up the top layer and started doing a little rouging pattern and then taping it to obviously add the texture, and I'm just going to do it all the way across and then all the way up, and then I'll show you guys what the final skirt looks like. So I finally finished the skirt. I have this little top edge, which I left a little bit of space so I can add some double-sided tape and just roll it down so it looks just a little bit cleaner. And now that the skirt is completely constructed, I just added some tape to the inside, and I have the sticky part facing out, and I'm just going to connect together the two parts. So I'm just trying to put them together right now, but it is a little bit difficult, so I think I'm just going to finish it off camera since I am trying to do it with one hand. Here is what the completed skirt looks like. Now I just have to do the top and then I will be finished. So for the top, I just cut another garbage bag completely in half, so I have these two long strips, and that's just what I want to use for the top. So I'm just going to tie a knot in the middle so that I can get this angled triangular looking shape. So now that it's knotted, you can see that I got the perfect shape that I needed. Now for attaching the top, I'm not going to do this on camera because I have to actually put it on my body so that it fits me perfectly. So after who even knows how long of doing the straps, here is the completed look. I really do love the way that this turned out. The tiers look so great, and as you guys can see right here, I ended up leaving it backless and just tying the straps in the back as a halter top. Honestly, if this didn't make so much noise, I would probably find somewhere to wear it one day, but it's so loud. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys were impressed by the way that it came out, because honestly, I definitely was. I really liked doing this particular DIY, and I want to try to continue to do one similar to this, so I'm thinking I can start, a series or something of unconventional DIYs. I started another one which I'm really excited to finish, and I have a few other ideas. But if there is anything that anyone else wants to see, be sure to comment down below. If you want me to make a dress out of paper or chip bags or bottles or anything, I'm definitely up for the challenge. So if anyone has any cool ideas, again, comment them down below. And you know, as always, be sure to subscribe if you want to see more content like this and the other types of videos that I make, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!